Welcome everybody to YouTube's show, Meme Reviewer.
More like, let's kill a fucking meme review. Alright, listen up, faggot. This is going to be an asterisk type of Alright, nobody fucking cares. Anyways, let me get to the points. I'm gonna teach you how to fucking murder a meme. Meme review. Who's gonna kill the next meme? Oh, it is Pewdiepie. Watch out, kids. He's ready to steal your memes, ready to kill it, murder it, and I don't know. My point is, I'm sorry if I seem like an asshole or seem fucking dickish, but I'm low on meme supply. All the memes now are fucking bad. Or I'm just fucking stupid because I don't know what current memes that are good. Because I'm a normie. Nah, I don't have anything against Pewdiepie. I don't want his 9-year-old army attacking me because he's killing memes. I'm just saying he's actually killing memes. For like this whole 2 to 3 months, in my fucking opinion, I haven't seen any good memes come out yet that I actually like. I mean, there's a few good ones. Everyone joins in meme.
Hey, you know this, boys. That is free.
Or the not staying up to date with the memes. I'm a normie now, guys. I'm sorry. But stop every fucking meme that comes out in 2018. Jesus fucking Christ.